What is up guys, highlands2hammocks here. We're bound for another weekly vlog, and this time we'll be exploring around the beautiful island of Naxos. We've been doing a bit of scuba diving, a bit of couch surfing, and yeah, just basically exploring around the entire island. If you're into your beaches, you do not want to miss this video.
Our next stop is Naxos Beach, and we're very lucky to be on the doorstep of this beautiful beach. We're staying at the Naxos Beach campsite, which is literally a minute across from the beach. It's perfect. We're still out and about exploring, getting some nice pictures. These views are just incredible.
The next beach we're on is the Castrati beach. It's about 10 kilometres beside Naxos, and it is much nicer because it's so quiet and there's like basically no one around. Turquoise blue waters, it's gorgeous. The next beach we have is at stunning blue scenery around here, and behind us seems to be an old hotel that's been abandoned, half built, abandoned and fallen into decay. So it's almost like post-apocalyptic. It's very cool. There's some awesome graffiti around here as well.
Our last stop for today is Naxos Beach, and it's very quiet. It's lovely.
Yeah, it's dead here. I imagine peak season it might be a bit busier, but it is paradise just now.
It's beautiful. now on Santorini. We've been exploring Santorini for the past few days. If you want to watch our videos on Santorini, then make sure you subscribe and we'll be posting them next week.
Exactly, don't miss out guys, like and subscribe, drop us a comment, tell us where you're from, share us with all your friends, and yeah, till next week guys, chill out.
See ya!